Hi, this is DJ Banovitz, Colorado personal injury and accident trial lawyer practicing in Denver, Colorado. And today we're going to talk about what happens after a lawsuit's been filed. What initiates a lawsuit is the filing of a complaint, and there are generally two parties to a lawsuit. The plaintiff, that would be the injury victim, and the defendant, who is the wrongdoer that caused the harm to the plaintiff or injury victim. Now, once a complaint is filed, it gets served along with the summons on the defendant, and the defendant here in Colorado has 20 days to file an answer to the lawsuit. And in the answer to the lawsuit, the defendant either has to admit or deny the facts that are alleged in the complaint. In addition, the defendant may raise defenses that may serve to limit or minimize their responsibility to pay the full amount of damages that the plaintiff is asking for. After that, the lawsuit proceeds into what's called the discovery phase. What's that? In discovery is where the lawyers, both on the plaintiff's side and the defendant's side, submit written questions to be answered by the other party. Sometime after those written questions are answered, then comes depositions. What are depositions? Depositions are when the parties sit down and have a question and answer session under oath. After the parties have gone through the discovery phase, which allows them to investigate the claims and defenses in the lawsuit, next there's typically a settlement conference. At a settlement conference, that may take place with a retired judge or a seasoned lawyer who helps the party to resolve the claims made in the case. And the next phase of the case is trial. And I'll talk about what happens in a trial in another series of videos. If you've been involved in an accident or have questions, you need to call me, DJ Banovitz, at 303-300-5060 or email me, dj@coloradoinjuryfirm.com. Why? Because I handle these types of cases every day, and I have the answers to your questions. Thanks for watching.